Welcome to our latest tech tip video. In this video, we look at the hard carrying case for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The case is made from ethylene vinyl acetate in a red and black color scheme. Its outer dimensions are 21 by 16 by 6 centimeters, and it weighs 182 grams. The case has a double zip closure, so you can easily access everything you need. In the case, there is a hard pad with pre-cut openings. If we look at the bottom of the pad, we can see it's not glued into place correctly. Not sure if this is a production issue, but it looks cheap. The pad is pretty stiff, so it's safe to store your DJI Osmo Pocket 3 inside the protective cover. The mini tripod, the handle with 1/4 thread, the battery handle. There is also room for the DJI Mic 2 transmitter, the DJI Mic 2 clip magnet, and the wide-angle lens. But I don't have these items, so you can possibly store something else there. Inside the case cover, there is a mesh pocket to store a USB cable. Because the pad is pretty stiff, it's not easy to remove some items with the pre-cut openings in the sides, so pry them out from the front. If you try to put camera filters inside the small openings, you need to turn the pad over to be able to retrieve them. You can find the hard carrying case on Amazon, and if you use the top affiliate link in the description, we get a small fee, which greatly helps us. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel.